Hey guys, how are you doing? So I'm back with another video of Ls430, and the issue over here is that if I press all the way up for auto to close the window, it makes some random noise and then the window doesn't work at all. So I'm going to show you guys what's the issue is and how you can fix this. So if you guys can see over here, this thing gets loose. So whenever you will press auto for up, then when it will reach to the top, then this thing will come out of it and then your window is free, and it will not work at all and it will make random noise. And also what it will do is, I'll show you guys, if your glass is tinted, then it will ruin your film as well. So what you can do is, you just need to put this back. It will be roaming here randomly, so you just have to pull it out and then put this thing inside their back. This ball, if you can see the ball there, so this needs to be in there. And then you have to be aware that you do not press the auto up button again. If you will do that, then this will the problem will come again. So if you want to avoid the problem, then this is the best solution for very cheap, and you can do it at home with very common tools. As I have shown you guys in the previous video that how you can remove the panel, that is just a 4-head screwdriver, and then you have to remove this sheet, and then you have the visibility of this thing which I showed you that you need to fix. So it's that easy, it's that cheap. So save money and then do everything at home. Thank you guys for watching. If you learned something new, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Bye bye.